Municipal Mayor, represented by Sir Joen Pacoy. Help me welcome Sir Joen Pacoy.
Hello. Sir Jason Quiano, School Head of Concepcion National High School. Sir, I salute to your leadership. Thank you for aspiring to be excellent in so many ways, not only academically, but in the field, outside of the four corners of the room. Thank you, sir. Parents, faculty and staff, visitors, may buntag ka natong tanan. I am so sorry because minutes ago I was informed that I will be taking place of Mayor Viña to give a message. Had I been informed ahead, I could have prepared a better message, especially to the 61 completers for this year's moving up ceremony. But anyway, okay na gid po day kayo magbasa-basa ta og social media ba, Facebook. Kaya aduna tay mga encounter nga mga quotes, mga messages, and I've encountered some of those messages, no, in the social media. Ginayon magud nga first, I would like to congratulate the parents, no, for sending your children and become candidates ani karon nga moving up ceremony. Kaya ginaingon gyud nga Dira. Education is very important. Why? Because education would emancipate us from the bondage of ignorance. Kabantay mo, lack of education makes us very well informed of so many technical things that ordinary minds cannot comprehend. With proper education, we can react intelligently. And we can relate to the world, what the world is talking about, politics, democracy, and even personal and civil rights. We will know when our rights are being violated. Di ba? Lamang itong adunay kaalaman. Giingon po dire that when we educate our child, then we educate a family. Remember, a lot of opportunities are available for those who are well-informed, well-raised, and well-educated. It is very apparent that a lot of opportunities are easily captured when we have that higher credentials. I also believe that an educated person is always right. Why? Because when he argues, he is tactful in so many ways. He chooses to utter the most logical reasoning that would defeat the weakest ones. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world. Ngano kaha? Kini nga passage nabasa na ko ni siya, no? It is a very popular passage given by Nelson Mandela. He was the president of Africa, I think. Try to look at one particular nation. When you are considered first world, literacy rate is very high. That nation is very progressive. economically. And that nation is very powerful in terms of influence. Like USA, Canada, China, first world countries. O nakita na to sila ha. Because education is their priority over and above of other things. That is why I encourage every parent to please look after your child. To the parents nga nakaroon diri, not only by filling in his stomach with the most delicious food or the most expensive vitamins, but be sure to at least give him the proper education he deserves. If you want your child to be emancipated from the bondage of ignorance, or if you want your child nga makakapture of a lot of opportunities nga kay balo mo kung if ako lang istorya ang kaagi na ako nganong asa ko gagikan padulong kung asa ko karon. Well, I'm still living a very ordinary life as public servant, pero kung kabalo lang mo usig yagian ako sa una from high school to college, makahilag po mong lansang. I don't know kung makaya makapunito akong naagian kay nganuman. Try to imagine, since 1993, I was taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy sa Mindanao State University, and I graduated in 1997. For a period of 4 years, di lang po na ako panghimarauton akong ginikanan kay pobre maging po kayo may nakadawat lagi po kong 400 pesos. Sulod sir sa 4 ka tuig. Kung sige buhat na ako. Akan akong istorya, grabe kini ka-inspiring. Pero I rarely tell everyone about my kuan. Kaya I want to share this to those who are aspiring for a brighter future. Kung sige buhat na ako. First year ko, roommate na ako. Dato man, tag 2,000 per week ang iyahang simana. Kay teacher ko ng iyang mama o parents. O sige, buhat na ko, ako yung naglabada sa iyang mga sanina. Kung siya may nakuha na ko out of that labada, siya yung nagbayad sa ako ang bed space, nga 150 pesos, sulod sa usa ka bulan. Naglabada ko niya. Ang problema na ko karon, ang 400 pesos, o sa may ma-afford na, sulod sa 4 ka tuig. Ang gibuhat na ko, sila nga, akong roommates, duha ka mo, nasilay brotherhood, o kung sa ito nga fraternity, naaman sila'y kanang mura o kanang sa fraternity bitaw nga every Sunday na aduna sila initiation, and naa sila mga amot-amoton nga mga bugas, mga sudan niya, o ang ako ang roommate man maoy safekeeper sa mga bugas. Kagkaligaw po kong kawat sa bugas nga ilang gitabuan dito sa room. So makakaon ko asa makog sudan karon. Ang sudan po, ang sayote available po sa Marawi. Anywhere in the campus, you could see sayote not planted, but grow everywhere. Murag sapot na siya dito. And you could pick sayote fruits, o fruits bitawagan na niya. So, nano ko sayote. Unya karon ang boarding house nga ako ang gipuy-an kay aduna man sa mga bibi sa tunga sulod within the premises sa iyang boarding house. Nakamalay man ko nga ang bibi niya mangitlog sayo kay sa buntag, alas 3, alas 4, nakamalay ko nga na mamunit dito o mga itlog kay sunan naman to. Nakamalay man ko ana, mumata ko alas 2 oy, kay ako'y mamunit og una sa itlog. At least if I could pick at least 5 eggs in a day, libre na ko. Wagid kamalay akong roommate. Ingon lagi siya nga, paborito gini mong itlog, no, kay kadadlaw mo ka mag-itlog. Wala sila kalibutan nga ilang bugas akong giitlogan sa yute within the campus, buhi na ko. Pagka second year na ko, taas ka na akong istorya sa kinabuhi. Pero pagka second year na ko, wala dyan ko agwanta, gutom na gid kayo. Nag-working ko dito og tulo ka professors. One of those is SB member Ridiculo Valduesa kanang sa Kalamba karon. Kaya siya man ang chairman sa sa Department of Accountancy. So nag-working ko dito for 3 years until I graduated in 1997. What am I trying to say here? Kamo mga completers, 61 mo kabo karon, I am encouraging you to pursue proper education. No matter what. No matter kung unsa kalisod ang kinabuhi, makakaon lang tag pinaka-simple nga pagkaon in a day just to survive that day. Ayaw mo pag surrender. Pursue. tiwas gid mo kay someday in-retire na ako. I want one of these completers would take my place as budget officer din sa Municipality of Concepcion. To the parents, I encourage you to please agwat na ta. Ang kapobrehon is not a rason para nga mo fail ta sa atong kinabuhi. Busa sir, salamat kayo no for giving me this ambush time ang maghatag og mensahe diri. But anyway, thank you for this opportunity nga naka-share ko sa ako ang taas-taas pa to sir. Part 1 pa lang to siya. Maayong buntag ka natong tanan.
Thank you so much, Sir, no, for that very informative and inspiring message of yours.